Hey guys, it's Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, and in today's video, we're going to be doing an in-depth hands-on review of the Discover D712U headset for voice over IP phone systems and for virtual meetings and things like that. So here we have the wrapped up pretty package of the Discover D712U. Just to make sure I get that model number right. Yes, that is the Discover D712U. And this bad boy is actually from Headset Advisor. I believe this is a dual ear headset, which I believe is what the 2 here in the model number actually means. But let's go ahead and get into this thing and see what we got. Actually, before we get into this, big thanks to the boys and girls over at Headset Advisor that sent this over. For those of you who may or may not know, Headset Advisor is one of the few persons that we are affiliated with that sends us over various headsets throughout the year as new things come out for review. They basically are one of the main providers out there of not only new but also certified refurbished headsets. They offer their brand, which is Discover, but they also offer things such as Jabra, Plantronics, Sennheiser, and much more. They even have programs for rentals, and as I already mentioned, you can also get stuff certified refurbished. So everything from your low grade to your mid grade to your really high-end stuff, and whatever suits your budget, whether that may be certified refurbished or you prefer brand new, or maybe you want to go on a rental for the assurance and things like damage protection and maybe being able to get the latest and greatest stuff as things come out and emerge. So as always, after this review or under this video in the description or on our blog, I'll have an actual link to this product so that you can see it on Headset Advisor's website, as well as some coupon codes for anybody who is interested in this product or any others. So let's see what we got inside of this box here. So I know I said box, but this is more like a really cool kind of nylon, you know, or fabric-y travel case. It's actually super sturdy. So let's go ahead and take that off here. And as you can see, it's got the Discover Headsets emblem there on the front. Very sleek, very durable. Definitely something that you could throw around the office easily or travel with without worrying about damaging the headset. Let's open her up and see what we got inside here. So inside, as is typical with most cases like this or of this style, it looks like you've got the headset itself, of course, with its cords and all that kind of wrapped up neatly under here, which would keep that from flying all around if you're traveling or moving around with it. Looks like we've got your typical package of, let's open that up there, extra ear pads. Looks like it's got the styrofoam ones and then kind of like the pleather, if you guys can see that, the kind of pleather ear pads there. Let's pull those out so you guys can get a cleaner look at that there. We won't pull them all out. We'll just pull a little bit out. Yep. So you've got the inner ear pad there, and then you've got the pleather kind there. So that's actually kind of cool. We'll tuck that back in there like so. And then here we are with our actual headset. It looks like it has got, as I mentioned earlier, a little bit of an elastic band there to kind of protect it. Let's go ahead and we won't take that all the way out. What we'll actually do here, oh, maybe we will take it all the way out. All right, so here we go. So here is the actual headset here in all of its glory. Got the little Discover logo there on it. For those of you who want to see that there, if I can get that to focus in. Okay, maybe it doesn't want to focus in. All right, I got you. But it's pretty flexible. This is actually sturdy. This is sturdier than a lot of the headsets that I've seen, but it's also got some weight to it. For those of you who've seen me do a bunch of videos on headsets, you know I like a light headset, but this one's got some weight. It's also got something else too that I've not ever seen. It's got, I guess that's for like head comfort. Check that out there, you guys. It's got almost like a riveted, air pocketed, like padding there, almost like that's for your brow. That's actually kind of cool, but we're gonna put this on and see what that's like. I like that this is dual ear. For those of you who know me and you've watched my videos, you know that I love a dual ear headset. While I do use a mono padded or mono ear headset for my phone calls, which you can probably see back there in the background, for video meetings and stuff like that, I like to hear at least what to me sounds like three-dimensional sound coming from all directions. So I don't prefer to have a single ear headset for meetings. I like something just like this for meetings. And plus it can couple for, listening to a voicemail to email or watching a quick YouTube video or, or something like that, and being able to get that three-dimensional sound effect going on. The ear pads on this thing are super cushy. They're not the cushiest I've seen, but it's comfortable. I mean, at least it looks like it's going to be comfortable. It's got good adjustability, and it's on both sides. Whereas I see a lot of headsets that only have adjustability on one side. This has got good adjustability on both sides, so I know this is going to sound really silly, but for those of you who may be watching that have bigger heads, I have a small head, but some people have bigger heads, and I've even heard people complain and say they wish a headset they had better adjustability for their larger head size. This looks like this would fit a small head like somebody like me, but also has adjustability to go pretty big for somebody that may have a larger head or something like that. So that's actually kind of cool. That's a little bit unique in its own right there. The mic on this thing seems like it's sturdy, high quality. Now it's funny because I've got some headsets that where the mic looks like this, like a solid piece, but it looks like a solid piece like this, but it doesn't really bend. I've got a few in here like that, but this actually bends. It doesn't have much leeway, but it bends a little, so that's kind of neat. Switching over to interfaces here, it has USB. It does not detach like some headsets that you guys have seen me review where they've got the quick detach adapter that allows for you to, pull the USB portion or something like this off and then put like an 8mm thing on there or something else that you may need. What you see is kind of what you get. That's actually the cord there. And then of course, not only do you have the USB interface, let's zoom in there, you've also got your standard typical volume control as well as your mic mute. And it looks like this is actually new. I got a lot of headsets that don't have this. They have the mute and they have the up and down, but a lot of them don't come with this phone thing, which I would assume this is to answer or hang up a call if you've got this plugged into an IP phone. Because don't forget, your USB not only can plug into a computer or whatever it is you may be using, it can also plug into like a IP phone, which nowadays most all IP phones support USB. At first glance, I like it. I'm debating hooking it up as a secondary headset to my computer and giving it a test run for the upcoming weeks because I do video conferences and virtual meetings all the time. I don't know that I'm going to use it to replace what I use for my actual phone calls on my IP phone over there, but I could see myself using this. I like the chassis. I'd be curious to know what the volume control is like and what the sound reduction, the noise cancellation for external sound is like, but I really like the build. It's super solid. And the case is just an added extra bonus, you guys. I really love the travel case that this thing comes with. I just realized, too, it's also got the clip that you can use on your shirt or wherever you prefer to put it, your pants pocket, your shirt, or whatever, to keep your cable in check or keep it out of the way. But I really like it. The travel case is nice. Let's go ahead and throw it on, and then we'll hop into some reviews. So here I am actually wearing it. The Discover, oh boy, I forgot the model number. The Discover D712U. I'm pretty sure the U in the name specifies that it's got two headsets because there is also a D711U. It's actually really comfortable, you guys, and I gotta say, unlike most of the other headsets that you've seen me review that are double ear or like some of the ones I use in the office, this has some great cupping of the ears to block out external noise. Because I'm actually having a hard time hearing myself speak at normal volume because of the amount that it's blocking out. So I actually like that. While that may not be good for some of you that are watching that may be in an environment where you need to know what's still going on around you within reason, like maybe your kids in the house, or maybe if a coworker or your boss walks up to you and needs to ask you something. For somebody like me, I actually like it if I can't hear the kids in the house because I've got my wife or other people around, like my older kids, that can keep an eye on them in case something's going wrong, and I need to block out more noise so that I can hear what's going on in a meeting and be able to clearly understand a customer more. So this might be for you. Again, I know you guys can't gauge it from just watching me review this in this video, but the amount of sound that it's blocking out externally is incredible. You probably could or couldn't hear it, but the wind is blowing pretty hard here at my place. So much so I could hear it while doing this video, but I literally can't hear the wind blowing at all with these headphones on. And I'm in a room that's external to the house. It's not an interior room, it's an external room to my office. So that I'm pretty impressed with. It feels comfortable. You know, everything, the cord is actually decent length, if you guys can see that. So if you need to, you know, maybe get up and walk around just a tiny bit, you've got some decent leeway there to move around your desk. Maybe you've got a rolling chair. But I like it. It's decent so far. Let's see what kind of reviews we got on this thing or what we can dig up. Alrighty, so let's hop into some reviews. You guys know I like to keep it real. So first review that caught my eye was a 4 out of 5 star review. Actually works with Ring Central. After trying about 5 different solutions and finding that none of them worked with Ring Central, I finally took a chance on this Discover headset. Much to my surprise, it worked, although I had to change the default option for sound and the Ring Central preferences. That's actually great news, because for those of you who frequent our channel or know how we roll, you know that even though we represent all the voice over IP phone system providers out there, we love some Ring Central. We work with those guys pretty regularly on almost a daily basis, as well as the other carriers, the other mainstream guys. So that's good news to know that this works well with not only compatible IP phones that work with Ring Central, but probably with Ring Central's desktop app, which is really popular. Next, let's see here. Next review, comfortable and good quality sound. It's pretty comfortable, good quality sound. I work with students online and have tried several headsets and was not satisfied until I found this one. So that's a good review there. Here's another quick one, and then we'll jump into one more. I'll try to find one that's a bit neutral, so I'm not just giving you guys nothing but raving reviews. Good quality headset with boom mic under $100. This headset is light, comfortable, and easy to adjust. The boom mic is of good quality, and the sound through the headset is very good. The volume and the mic can be adjusted and also muted on the cord, in addition to through your device or settings. I teach music lessons online, and this headset has been great. That's a pretty good one as well. If somebody is teaching music online or something like that, they probably are looking for pretty good quality, so that's pretty impressive. Let's go and try to find some reviews that are not so raving, if I can find any, you guys, which it's looking like I don't think I can here, which I guess speaks pretty good to this headset. Let's see what we got. Okay, I did find one review that's a 1-star review that says refurbished headset didn't work. Audio was cut off like the wires were faulty. To be fair, and you guys will see this in the link that I'm going to supply on this video, when you look at this headset on Headset Advisor's website, you're going to notice that they have it new and refurbished. You can purchase it through their website either on a rental, like a month-to-month fee. You can purchase it refurbished, certified refurbished, or you can purchase it new. My guess is maybe this person purchased it certified refurbished and they got one that was a dud, maybe had a short in the wire, if you guys know how that works. If you got an unknown short and you move it around and the sound gets kind of wonky on you. So maybe that's what that person experienced. Let's see if we can find one more. No, I mean, there was only 2 negative reviews. One was that was a 1-star review I just read you guys, and then another one was a 3-star review. But it just says the person gave 3 stars. They didn't give a written review, so unfortunately I don't have anything to say in that regard. So I'm actually looking at it on Headset Advisor's website right now. I'll let you guys actually see that, but I'll tell you what we're looking at actually. And basically, for those of you who are wondering what the price is, to purchase it certified refurbished, currently at the time of this video, it goes for $80.98. I gotta say that's impressive, because I've seen lesser headsets for, I've seen headsets that lack this level of quality for a lot more. It looks like new. It is $90.98. So you're talking a difference of $80.98 and $90.98. Exactly $10 based on what I'm seeing here versus new and certified refurbished. Where me, I go with new. And it looks like you can also get this thing on a rental for $5.60 per month each. May not be a good deal for some of you out there that just need 1 or 2 headsets, but for those of you who are watching that got a big call center or something like that, you need to outfit like, 20, 30, 50, 100 plus people with headsets, it's probably not a bad deal to be able to have a protection plan on there, as well as be able to probably upgrade it when it becomes obsolete or get a replacement when it breaks for, just like less than $6 a month per user. So that wraps up my in-depth hands-on demo and first impressions and kind of what I think about the Discover D712U from Headset Advisor. I like it, you guys. I think I'm going to give it a whirl probably today for some virtual meetings that I have this evening and give it a test drive and, maybe report back to you guys and let you know what I think about the noise cancellation and about the actual audio quality from what I get from, watching YouTube videos, doing virtual meetings, and I'll probably even run it through a music test on YouTube Music and see what we get. If you're watching this video and you're interested in this headset, again, I'm going to put a link below this video where you can go and see the prices that I mentioned for it in certified, refurbished, new, or on a rental. If you are interested in this headset or any other headsets, I'll also have some links to Headset Advisor's website. They carry much, much more than just this headset. If you're watching this and you're not sure what you need, I've got coupon codes for Headset Advisor as well as a very good relationship with them, and I can hook you up with some persons over there that can work with you on special pricing if you need maybe 2 or more headsets or you're not sure what you need and you want to consult with somebody. So again, if you found this video helpful, please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. We upload new videos every single week. Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, your go-to guy for the best deals on business phone and internet service in the United States. I'll catch you guys again in the next video.